I'm in the Jeep and did a little bit of exhaust work. It wasn't exactly exhaust work, it was more like no exhaust. The reason I did it, there's actually a reason behind it. Part of the exhaust completely like annihilated itself right before I finished driving it. So I figured if I'm going to be mudding it, which I am going to be tomorrow, I don't know, no, stop that. I'm going to be mudding this tomorrow with a friend. I might as well get the exhaust off out of the way so it doesn't hurt anything else more than it already is hurt. So I think it sounds pretty cool, pretty mean. And I'm not complaining at all. It's pretty kick-ass in my mind. But that's just me. Put what you guys think down in the comments. Because as of right now, I'm putting farm tags on it when I get this windshield replaced. Because there's no way it's going to repass inspection. And farm trucks don't need inspection. So that's what I'm planning on doing with it. And then I'm probably going to fix the roof and that side panel. And then I'm thinking about leaving the exhaust how it is because it's pretty kick-ass and it's far enough back that it's not in my way in my hazard area as a driver. So I don't know, I think it's pretty kick-ass. Yeah, my dashboard lights worked again too, so that's pretty good too, I guess. So yeah, I'll put this back and then I'll spare you guys off for today. But yeah, you guys haven't seen that. It's my nice reverse light. It's pretty nice. Works really good. And look at that. Temperature is pristine. I did a little bit of fan work, which is why the fan is now still running. And I'll be back with you guys in just a second because I have to turn my flashlight on. Alright, so cool. So fan, switch, like that. I just hardwired that side of the fan. Ooh, that it should not be down there. That got close to being ugly. That needs to be up here. I almost killed myself. That needs to be up this way. So, yeah, I just hardwired the fan in because it was getting hot because I was mudding it so much. So I just hardwired it in right here, ran the line over to here to this part of the switch, which you can unplug, and then there's my ground. It's pretty easy, pretty simple. Works well. Took it mudding today. I'll put a video in at the end of this of the view my parents saw of me mudding this. Didn't really get the front really well clean wise, but I got the sides nice and clean ish. All this stuff is brand new from where I just ran it up the driveway. It was pristine a second ago, but they're running up the road because now the tires are all clean. So yeah, I'll put that video in the end of this, and I'll see you guys later.